In today's tutorial, we're going to go over how to create new content on your institution's site. To create new content, first ensure that you're logged in. You'll know you're logged in when you see a black bar at the top of the screen. Next, click on Manage in your toolbar and then on Content. You should see a button that says Add Content. Click the button and then select the type of content you want to create. Your site may have different or fewer options. In most cases, you'll want to select either a text page for text-based information, a class for a new course description, or a degree for a new degree or certificate. You can then fill out the information for your content. When you're done, you can click Save. If your institution is using workflow approvals, you may have different options for whether you can publish directly or need to submit your new content for approval.